This is hops oil. Humulus lupulus. This is hops. And we make the oil with the strobiles, the flowering strobiles. And this oil, it's really, again, it's not a lot of people talk about it, but it is an amazing oil for, oh my gosh, for tight spasming muscles, leg muscle cramps, like when you have a leg muscle tighten up on you and you just can't like that kind of thing. But specifically, this is my go-to oil for menstrual cramps. So if you know somebody that deals with, bad menstrual cramps or, low backache, bellyache cramps, what you do is you put this on and you put a warm covering over the top, like a heating pad. You put the oil on your low belly or your low back, and then you just let it go to work. This is not the kind of oil that you put on and then go out. This oil brings you down. It like calms you down. It loosens up your muscles. It's very relaxing. It can put you to sleep. And you use it when you're like, wow, I'm having really bad cramps. I need to take it easy, right? I need to slow down and just whew. And so you put it on, you put that heating pad on, and you lay down and you let it work and you let it relax your muscles. And the thing is that muscles cramp when they're tight, right? And once you start to relax the muscles, then the pain starts to dissipate, right? So hops oil, look at that. You can't buy hops oil. Like nobody's really selling it. And this is high quality oil.